Welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video, I am going to make a bracelet out of some beads and kits that were sent to me by beebecraft.com. And to just see what I think about it. So far, I'm really enjoying working with the kits. I'll connect you to one where I did the unboxing at the end of this video and another one where I did earrings. This one's going to be bracelets, and I'm going to make this as simple as possible because these kits are really easy to work with. So I'm going to show you what I did and how I came up with making my bracelet to make it easier on you. Okay, so the kit includes little beads, red, white beads, the one I picked out, little bells, and they ring, and little charms. This one has snowflakes and Christmas trees, and little green and white beads, and little rings, and little smaller silver beads. Again, the video will be attached to show you exactly where I went into more detail about what's inside these little kits. So let's get started. So the kit that I got came with the beads to do bracelets and the stretchy string. So what I did was I kind of opened it up and I took the risk, because I made it for me, and they're great for gifts, by the way. It has enough to do at least 2-3 of them, depending on how big your wrist is. And I'm going to turn it around, and I'm showing you that I allowed plenty of string to tie it when it's done. So I'm cutting up plenty for excess, and then you cut it off. So I'm going to show you what I did next. I'm going to cut it off, and I'll move that out of the way. So I'm going to bring in, what I've used is some masking tape, and I thought I'll bring my swap this out here. And what I thought was a really good idea, is I took masking tape and put it down on the cardboard or something it'll stick to, and I set up my beads. There's the string, and I set up my beads from this kit to the design I want. Now this is just a sample, because I'll show you in the end what the bracelet actually looks like. So I took my stretchy rope. Use it for jewelry, and then I literally set the design up and put them to masking tape so they stayed in place. And kind of when you do this, you do whatever design you want, but you repeat the design if you want. So if you notice, I repeated it to tree, into the bell and the stars and tree, and then I can cook so on and so forth the way I want to design. Set the design up first, and then you sit there, and it's as easy as this. You put it on, you just insert the stretchy string through all these, and you just take them off, take the piece off. It's a little sticky, just be careful. You can use set as tweezers if you'd like. Then put it on. I didn't find this difficult at all. Just put it through, and so on until you insert all of this on here. This will be on here. Now, the next step I did after setting it up, putting it on here, is I have it right here. Ta-da! From the magic of television, I made one already ahead. And I knotted this at the end 3 times, but if you see, this is my little trick when I work with jewelry, is right here. This might eventually come off. I take a handy dandy craft. Now, a lot of people working with jewelry won't do this, but I do it because of the stretchy material might come out. This works really well. All you gotta do is put, I'm gonna have to cut some of that out again, just a bit of craft glue on here. Put it right where the knot is. Okay, let's make sure it's all tight where the knot is. Let that dry. Let it dry. And it only takes like minutes to dry. Let it dry a little bit better. Then you're going to cut the string off from that point. And the glue will hold it in so that it won't come apart on you. This gets rather slippery and loosens up. But it works well, and they have many kits online at beebecrafts.com that you can purchase. Many kits or separate beads, and they have all the wiring and everything you need. Like I said, just check out please the unboxing videos or my earrings at the end of this video. I'd like to thank all of you for watching. Thank you so much, and I hope you take a look. All the links will be listed below this video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye for now.